Hey there, fellow foodies and shopaholics. Welcome to my channel where we'll be exploring the best shopping and food experiences in France. So come along with me on this journey as we discover the top shopping places and food spots in France. Galeries Lafayette. This iconic department store is a Parisian institution that's been around since 1893. It's known for its stunning Belle Epoque architecture and for carrying a wide range of luxury fashion brands, including Chanel, Dior, and Saint Laurent. In addition to fashion, Galeries Lafayette also has home goods, beauty products, and gourmet food. Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue in Paris is one of the most popular shopping destinations in the world. It's lined with high-end boutiques like Louis Vuitton, Cartier, and Hugo Boss, as well as more affordable chain stores like Zara and H&M. The avenue also has many cafes and restaurants, making it a great place to spend an afternoon. Le Marais. This trendy neighborhood in Paris is a must-visit for fashion lovers. It's home to a mix of high-end designer boutiques and independent shops, selling everything from vintage clothing to artisanal jewelry. Le Marais is also known for its vibrant nightlife and historic architecture. Le Bon Marché. This chic department store in Paris is a must-visit for luxury fashion and gourmet food. It's the oldest department store in Paris, dating back to 1852, and it's known for its elegant Art Deco interiors. In addition to fashion, Le Bon Marché has a gourmet food hall, Le Grande Épicerie, that sells everything from cheese to chocolate. Rue de Rivoli. This shopping street in Paris runs from the Place de la Concorde to the Bastille and is home to a mix of high street and designer brands. It's a great place to find affordable fashion and accessories, as well as souvenirs and gifts. Les Halles. This shopping mall in Paris is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. It has over 200 shops, including big-name brands like Nike and Sephora, as well as a cinema and a variety of restaurants and cafes. Place Vendôme. This elegant square in Paris is known for its luxury jewelry stores, including Cartier, Boucheron, and Van Cleef & Arpels. It's also home to a number of high-end fashion boutiques. Boulevard Haussmann. This major shopping street in Paris is home to two of the city's biggest department stores, Printemps and Galeries Lafayette. It's also lined with other big-name brands like Apple, Zara, and Uniqlo. Rue Saint-Honoré. This fashionable street in Paris is home to a mix of high-end designer shops and independent boutiques. It's a great place to find unique fashion and accessories, as well as art galleries and antique shops. Cannes Croisette. This famous shopping promenade in Cannes is lined with luxury brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Dior. It's also home to a number of high-end hotels and restaurants, making it a popular destination for tourists. Croissants. This buttery pastry is a breakfast staple in France. It's made with a flaky, buttery dough that's rolled into a crescent shape and baked until golden brown. Croissants are often served with jam, butter, or Nutella. Baguette. This iconic French bread is a must-try when visiting France. It's a long, thin loaf with a crispy crust and a soft, chewy interior. Baguettes are often used to make sandwiches, but they're also delicious on their own. Coq au vin. This classic French dish is made with chicken cooked in red wine, bacon, mushrooms, and onions. The chicken is marinated in red wine for several hours, then cooked in a rich, flavorful sauce. Coq au vin is usually served with potatoes or crusty bread. Escargots. This dish of cooked snails is a French delicacy. The snails are cooked in a garlic butter sauce and served with crusty bread. Escargots are usually eaten as an appetizer. Ratatouille. This vegetable stew is a classic French dish that originated in the region of Provence. It's made with a variety of vegetables, including eggplant, zucchini, peppers, and tomatoes, that are cooked together with garlic and herbs. Ratatouille is typically served as a side dish or a vegetarian main course. Crème Brûlée. This creamy, custard-like dessert is a French favorite. It's made with egg yolks, cream, and sugar, then baked until set. The top is sprinkled with sugar and caramelized with a torch or broiler, creating a crunchy, caramelized layer. Macarons. These delicate, colorful cookies are a popular French treat. They're made with almond flour, egg whites, and sugar, and filled with a variety of flavored fillings, like chocolate ganache or fruit jams. Macarons are often sold in specialty pastry shops. Cheese. France is known for its incredible variety of cheeses, from the soft and creamy brie to the tangy and pungent roquefort. Cheese is often served as a dessert, with a baguette or crackers, and paired with wine. Foie Gras. This controversial French delicacy is made from the liver of a duck or goose that has been fattened through force feeding. Foie gras is usually served as a pâté or a terrine, and is often paired with fruit compote or brioche. Champagne. This sparkling wine from the Champagne region of France is known for its light, bubbly texture and crisp, refreshing flavor. It's often served at celebrations and special occasions, and is the perfect accompaniment to French cuisine. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos like this. Thanks for watching.